This filling melts in your mouth, guys. It's a great option to fill cakes for use in another recipe. Seriously, you will love it. So guys, in a bowl, let's put 250 grams of chocolate, and on top of it we are going to add 350 grams of heavy cream. After that, we are going to melt all of that in the microwave oven. But if you don't have this microwave oven, you can use your stove, okay, and melt it into hot water. After melted, it's gonna turn into this amazing ganache. I reserved a little bit of the heavy cream from the beginning, and now I'm gonna add the rest of it inside of it, okay guys, and let's mix until it's all mixed up. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. And seriously guys, just take a look at this ganache. It's amazing. The texture is wonderful. It's super shiny. It is very smooth. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And you can feel anything you like with it. Now let's put it in a bigger bowl. And now, using a mixer, we are going to mix it all. If you don't have a mixer at your house, you can beat it in the blender as well. But the ideal one is to use a mixer. Then it's gonna be on the right texture. The idea here, guys, is to make like a souffle. You know, the chocolate. We are going to mix with the mixer until it makes all of these little bubbles in this ganache. This is what we are going to do. Seriously guys, this filling yields a lot. You're gonna love it. I really love chocolate, and it's not a very sweet filling. It's on the right measure. You just have to mix it very well until you make a lot of these bubbles. Now we are going to cover with some plastic like this, as you can see on the video, guys. Cover it all. And take it to the fridge, guys. I really recommend you guys to take it to the fridge from one day to the other to guarantee it gets to the right texture, alright? And then you have the perfect filling for your cakes, for anything you'd prefer. It's the best filling ever, guys. You can let it prepared in the fridge like 2 days before. There's no problem. It won't get ruined. You just can get advanced and then make your cake later, and you will have the filling already done in your fridge. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.